Well, Drew, we picked a hell of a day to ride, didn't we?
Yeah.
Good day to test the big wheels.
A little muddy out.
She's packing up, but the second you start moving, it flings it all off.
I've never seen so much mud fling when I'm riding.
Yeah, I mean, we got lucky. We actually got a little water out here, being this is normally dry. Stuff is like, it's sticky. What do you think?
This thing's awesome.
Dude, she sounds a little chuggy in that mud.
We got to go down a tooth in the front sprocket. It'd be way better.
Yeah, so we'll put that on for the next ride, but...
Super fun though, it works good.
Oh man.
I forgot to put gas in it.
Yeah, it's all good.
I just need the last video of you going through the puddle. As we're leaving.
I got two more well, besides the puddle. I went near that truck and roosted that truck with mud because there's a mud puddle.
Yeah.
Maybe we could get that.
You want to get it through slinging mud?
Yeah, I'm gonna sling mud.
Head over to bbcbigwheels.com for more info on this big wheel kit. Thanks for watching, guys.